In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address in Gmail. If you're finding yourself missing important emails because of past filters, or perhaps you blocked a sender inadvertently, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of reversing that action so you can ensure all VIP messages make it safely to your inbox. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening your web browser of choice and heading straight to Gmail. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Enter your email address and password, and you'll be taken to your inbox, where you'll see all your recent emails, including those you might have been missing. Next, you'll need to navigate to the settings, which is an essential step in finding the paths to unblock those email addresses. At the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a gear icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see a few options, but for now, focus on clicking See All Settings. This redirect will bring you to a new page filled with various tabs and options concerning your Gmail preferences. Look for the tab named Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is the area within Gmail settings that holds the key to blocking and unblocking email addresses. Click on it, which might take a few seconds, and you'll be presented with a list. Its purpose is to showcase any addresses you have previously chosen to block. Browse through this list and identify the email address you wish to unblock. It's usually displayed in a straightforward manner, so it should only take a moment. Each blocked email address will have an unblock option next to it. Simply click on Unblock alongside the email address in question. Upon clicking Unblock, a confirmation pop-up will appear to ensure that this action is intentional. Confirm by clicking Unblock again. It's a straightforward click, but be sure you're unblocking the correct address to avoid any future spam issues. Now that you've successfully unblocked the sender, you should start receiving emails from them directly to your inbox, without them being filtered out. It's a simple fix that can save you from missing critical communications and ensure your Gmail inbox works effectively for your needs. And there you have it. Unblocking an email address in Gmail is a straightforward task once you know where to look and click. By following these comprehensive steps, you can manage your email preferences quickly and restore communication with important contacts. Feel free to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.